Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Fidelity Wealth Management account, fast access step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in fidelity.com and press enter. Once the Fidelity homepage loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to open the login section. You will see two options, individual and institutional. Since you're accessing a wealth management account, select the individual option. After selecting, you'll be directed to the login page. Enter your username in the first field provided. Next, input your password in the second field. Before clicking the login button, double-check that your credentials are correct. If you're using a shared or public device, avoid saving your login information. Click the login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your Fidelity Wealth Management dashboard. In case you've forgotten your username or password, click the respective link below the login fields for recovery options. Follow the prompts to reset your password or retrieve your username as needed. Once logged in, navigate through the dashboard to access your investment accounts and resources. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout for easier future access. Now you are successfully logged into your Fidelity Wealth Management account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.